Today I will show you how to add transaction between two video. Do you see the plus sign? This is the plus sign. This is one video. This is another video. We have to make the transaction. You see the plus sign, bring the cursor and mark it, and then transaction, lot of transaction, whatever you like. A 3D let me see what is this, tick mark, and let me see how transaction working on the plus sign. You see the plus sign here, presentation. We can click here, and let me, which one is the, let me click that one, tick mark. Now let me play, how play. Now this way coming, this way how to add transaction between two video, and split it, over here, mark it and select the any transaction. Look like that, this is the transaction. If you like, then you have to click square. That's it. This way how to add transaction between two video. Thank you for watching this video.